Hi, I'm Ryan Newman, and this is my farm, powered by Freedom Solar Power. I'm most known for my race car driving, NASCAR driving. I've won several NASCAR Cup Series races, and known to be a race car driver, but I enjoy the outdoors. So this is my farm. It's kind of a work in progress. This is kind of like my long-term plan of living. Like, we're in a Amish-built barn from 100 years ago, and it's been resurrected and cleaned up. This is the man cave section of it. I got a section for tractors. I've got a hay barn, and it's been a hobby for me for years as I was racing to build this and eventually at some point move over here and become my primary residence. So I'm a pretty picky person. One of my biggest things was like the looks of the solar, right? Like my concern was like, what's it gonna look like on my barns? Like, I have old barns that look really cool, right? Like, that's what I like. But when you add new technology to an old barn like that, my concern was, is it gonna ruin the way it looks? Is it just gonna be an eyesore? And the people at Freedom did a great job of assembling and laying out and verifying with me what I wanted for a layout to make it look like it was part of the building, and it is. Yeah, so having power is a blessing, right? We're spoiled in our society just to have power, but having backup power when you have natural disasters or situations that are out of your control, it's important to have that backup power, and Freedom Solar gives you that opportunity.